Hello, this video clip presents the content of Module 1, Essentials of Obesity and Eating Disorders, developed by the team of George Emil Palade University of Medicine, Pharmacy, Science and Technology of Târgu Mureș, Romania, as part of the Erasmus Plus Strategic Partnership Project Connected for Health, a medical and humanities-based approach to navigating obesity and eating disorders in young people, funded by the European Commission. As an introductory chapter, the major goal of Module 1 is to introduce the topics of obesity and eating disorders to students. The specific objectives of the module are to present essentials of obesity and major eating disorders such as anorexia nervosa, binge eating, and bulimia, to identify their types, causes, and etiology, and last but not least, to delineate certain misconceptions related to eating disorders and obesity. The syllabus of Module 1 includes the lesson plan itself with several original resources that we created, including PowerPoints, video clips, a simulated patient narration, but also links to optional resources which we curated from the internet. It proposes specific discussion points, critical article reviews, and other assignments, as well as a multiple choice final quiz and further references, likely to enrich and at the same time to consolidate the students' knowledge and abilities on the topic. The syllabus is designed for a flexible approach to teaching and learning. One lecturer may choose to teach only obesity, another may choose to teach only eating disorders, and a third one may choose to teach both topics, depending on the scope and complexity of the course that he or she may propose. In each case, you, the lecturer, are expected to customize your teaching and learning strategy, choosing the appropriate resources, adapting them to your students' level, and of course, being original and creative at the same time in your course delivery. Good luck.